How to delete products in TikTok Shop. So hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can delete a certain product on your TikTok Shop. So let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my browser and go to seller center of my TikTok shop. And then afterwards, here in the left hand corner, you can actually see products. Now click on manage products. So when you click on manage products, you will actually see all the products that you have added onto your TikTok. Now, what you're going to do next is that we are going to simply tick on this one and hit on the delete button right here. Now, hit on confirm afterwards, and basically, you have successfully deleted your product on your TikTok shop seller center. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Bye.